Did you know that on modern Windows computers, clicking Shutdown does not fully reload the system? Common misconception. This is because a feature called Fast Startup saves part of Windows to start faster. That is why shutting down does not always clear problems. If you want to know whether your computer truly restarted or only shut down, you can check the exact time Windows last fully started. There are several ways to check when Windows last fully started, but the most accessible method I have found is this one. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and press Enter. Then type Net Statistics Workstation and press Enter.
Workstation statistics in 7/2/2026 9:51 and 39 seconds.
When you hear the time the workstation started, that is the last moment Windows fully reloaded. Surprising, right? To properly restart your computer, press Windows plus X, then U, then R. Or, from the desktop, press Alt plus F4, select Restart, and press Enter. This fully reloads Windows and clears temporary issues. Use Restart when programs freeze, when the computer feels unusually slow, or when things like sound, Wi-Fi, or updates stop working correctly. Shutdown is fine when you are finished for the day, but when something is not working, use Restart instead. This is a very useful tip. For more keyboard-only Windows tips, explore blind accessibility tips. Subscribe, share this video, and check out other tutorials on the channel.